Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to find the clipboard on Android. Clipboard normally save a log of anything that you have copied, whether it is text or images. If I want to select this text and tap on copy, then it will tell me that it had been copied to the clipboard. The first thing you can do is hold and press the screen where you want to paste, but instead of pasting, tap on clipboard. Then it will access your clipboard. It will give you copy of everything that you have recently copied to the clipboard. Another way is open up your keyboard, and just below the different icons you can see clipboard icon. Tap on it and you have to enable your clipboard, and here you can see the recently copied items on your clipboard. If you don't have this icon on your keyboard, then there is way to enable it. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on systems. When you enter on system section, tap on languages and input. Here you got the different options. Drop down your advanced, then tap on screen keyboard. Here you can see on the default keyboard, mine one is Gboard, Google keyboard. So in Gboard we have the clipboard icon on it itself. So this is how we find the clipboard on Android. Thank you for watching.